Hello, people!
Sometimes I know exactly what you're going to say.
Touring Saga.
Hello and welcome to Sag Harbor. So we're here this morning. We're dropping some stuff off at the house before we take off to Block Island, and this is very picturesque American old town. So what our host was saying is that it's very similar to a New England style. So as you can see, there's all these houses here with the white picket fences and the American flag. Some of them have been here since the 17th century, which is very old for America. Pierre and I on this trip, we're actually going to try the tandem bike. We'll see if it's a success.
You're biking 3 people on a, what is that called?
Tandem?
Tandem, thank you.
We'll see how far we go. Okay, well, I'm just going to go whenever.
No, il faut faire 50-50.
Just don't try
Okay,
to steer.
everyone's on it.
Pierre's on there?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Wow. This is a new one for us to take 3 adults.
We're too early.
You can't make transactions.
No?
Really?
Yeah, you can put your stuff on the side.
Oh.
Transactions.
And we can put the money on the side too. And at 9 you pick it up.
Right.
Wow, I never thought of that. You're brilliant.
So if the market were open, hypothetically, how much would these baguettes cost?
Which ones? Those are $4.
$4.
What's the difference between these?
Just the size.
Oh, okay.
We have American version of the baguette.
But everybody puts 2 people on a single bike.
Are we here? Is this ours?
Yeah.
Yay! Oh, wow.
So basically we had the line caught in the propeller while going away. So Matthew is diving to take it out. Got it?
Yep.
That was this guy. This little rope here.
Water's nice.
GoPro setup. We're ready for the second try. The good one. And we are off. Bye bye. Bye bye, Trina.
You don't have to say anything and you don't have to do anything. Or maybe just whistle.
From there, you said?
Yeah.
To there.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
So that's Montauk Point there, and then
Montauk Point off to Block
we
Island.
have to kind of. That's Shelter Island up there.
Where are we again?
You're here.
Okay.
Sag
There's the harbor. Yeah, we just came out of here, and then we go up around here, and then out here, and then out through here.
Look, hey Trina! Hey Trina! So funny. Look at that.
Hello and welcome to the Facebook Live channel of Trina sailing for the first time. Here you'll be able to watch me sit on a boat for hours and enjoy. Kidding. So here we're passing Montauk right now. Currently we're passing the lower end of Montauk in Long Island. How is that boring? It's that boring. I am. I'm very mellow. The boat has a strange effect on you. The swaying motions just cause everything to step back a bit. I'm the worst. I'm tilting. The boat's here.
First day at sea for the new sailors. So Trina passed out. Hey Trina. Well, come on board. We are almost on Block Island. You can see Block Island just behind me, right there. So we're not far, we're maybe 3 miles from the island now. See guys, the bell. So basically when it moves with the tide and with the waves, it rings. Look, you have hammers hitting the bell.
No, I don't have the phone.
Welcome to Block Island. Alright guys, so we're in Block Harbor, Island Harbor. What's happening is that it's weekend of summer, so it's uber crowded. Now we're waiting to know from the harbor if we can park or not. If not, we'll have to anchor somewhere. So the guy speaking on the radio for the moorings is actually just here. That's for us.
Okay.
That mooring here.
Okay.
Yay!
Sinon, on va nager?
Woohoo!
Woo! Ah.
Hey,
Yeah, I told you.
you got it.
You can't really get back.
Yeah, you can. You just did.
Very hard.
Ready now?
Yeah. Oh my god. Good, good, good. You got it. You got it. You got it. If it was life and death, you'd save us.
I'm very impressed. I've never seen anyone do that.
Do not fall over now.
Okay. Yeah, just step on the side and. So
The splash coming towards us is my husband, Pierre. Come on, Pierre. The video is getting long. I can't swim like that. Not yet. One day. Hey,
What's up?
Pierre.
Yeah, step right down and then just sit right down. That's it. Yeah,
Yeah.
looks like it.
You wanna say hi?
Eddie.
So we're basically walking to the town of Block Island. Alright, we're in the city, and in case you didn't realize, we're in America and still with all those flags. Cute little town. Are you guys vlogging?
I wish. I don't really vlog that much though. Do you?
Yeah,
Hell yeah.
right now.
Hell yeah, dude. That's what I thought. I actually thought you were vlogging. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm on a little challenge.
Hell yeah. Do you
Yeah.
put it on YouTube?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. I watch a bunch of vlogs on YouTube actually.
Yeah?
Are you not hot?
But isn't that a nice...
So thick.